Hello and welcome to a new video on an official 200km DIY Audax today. I'm here on the old Midland line on the bridge and it's a glorious morning. So my route today takes me out towards the Cotswold Water Park, loops around the back of Swindon, Shrivenham, Liddington, heads down sort of towards Devizes, that area, and then basically loops back. So yeah, that's what I'm up to today. I was nearly at it last week and I thought, well, I might as well just do it. I can obviously do 200k, so that's what I'm doing today. It's not going to be fast, because I'm not fast, but I always say that kind of thing, don't I? Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I'm on the Giant again. We're going to go along towards Nailsworth and we're going to climb up onto the top of the hill. Kind of the easiest route really, and then towards Kemble. I'll pick you up on the road. Hello folks, so join me just on the outskirts of Cricade now. I've had to alter my route somewhat. My route that I'd planned via Commute had was trying to send me up some road that didn't exist, so I'm having to go round, and the A417 is just over my just behind me. Just going up, follow the road over the bridge, and then I'm going to turn right towards Castle Eaton. But actually, annoying as it is, my route was quite tight in terms of distance for the DIY. So adding this little bit on will make sure I'm definitely the correct distance. Yeah, I haven't really picked the camera up because there's not really a lot to talk about, and other than that, some muppet forgot to charge the camera from last week, so that's now flat, and I'm using the 360 camera instead with its internal mic. Anyway, let's crack on and I'll pick you up in a bit. Hello folks, you find me in Highworth. I've just come into the petrol station, which is just to my right. There's this little path down the side that saves me going back a couple of 100 metres from the road, roundabout. It's a little bit safer. Anyway, I'm trying to change the direction now a little bit. It's been a headwind all the way to here. Still 39 miles. Probably added a couple on because the route wasn't right. I'm off to Shrivenham now. Well, you now find me on the Chiseldon to Marlborough bike path. It's very dusty, as you can imagine, and it's a pretty warm afternoon. Breezy, but it's warm. Just stopped under these trees, just have 5 minutes. I finished off my fizzy drink that I had from the petrol station in Highworth. I should probably carry on now. Might stop in Marlborough, see if I can get a cold drink there. But yeah, it's stunning, you know. Anyway, I'll pick you up in a bit. Oh, this in front of me is the Vale of Pewsey. Pewsey itself is off to my right, around this hill here. So we're going to go down a mile or so and then turn right. And I should then finally have a proper tailwind for a while, so should get blown along for a bit, so I'm looking forward to that. But this is pretty warm. Martin Cell. There I am. Stop recording. Well folks, you find me in Canal Park. No idea what the name of the park is, just off the town centre here. It's got a lovely sort of mock narrowboat canal sort of thing that's filled in with gravel, and lock gate there. Anyway, yeah, that was a warm afternoon, that, and I haven't picked the camera up for a while because I've just been enjoying the ride. And you know, I was thinking through the lanes back there. I'm kind of falling in love with this again. You know, it's been a few months now since I've actually got on for 4 since I did a DIY, so yeah, I was kind of realising that you know, I've missed them. I think I've probably done a few too many in the past, you know, every weekend and all that sort of thing. So I think I'm going to do a few, not every weekend, but I'm certainly going to do 1 or 2 a month. Famous last words. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there. But as I said before, my goal is an SR next year, and I've got a fair way to go yet before I can do that. I'm carrying too much weight for starters. But, looking at these trees and how brown they are, they really are water starved. So I've got about 35 miles to go, but it's not too bad. Well, I'm on the cycle route between Canal and Chippingham. I've just come across this bridge. Impressive structure because it's right over the canal, or it might be the river. I don't think I've come along this way before. More for me. More for me. I'll certainly be coming along here again. So here we are, National Cycle Network 4. Route 403 I think this is. I do like these signposts, they're quite good. So Colin was 5 miles back, and it's all been on this track, and got a mile or so to the centre of Chippingham. So I'm going to crack on because time is getting on a bit now. Hello folks, you find me in Acton, Turville, just north of the M4. Progress is constant, steady. It's not constant, steady. Slowly getting there now. I've done 105.5 miles. It's got about 20 miles to go, and yeah, first 200 in a few months, so I'm happy with that. I think I've just got to do a fair few now of these 200s just to get the miles in and the endurance built back up. And in doing so, you know, I'll lose a bit of weight and just get a bit quicker at it then, you know. I don't want to race around them, but I just want to do them so that I'm comfortable, if you know what I mean. And I'm not finish them too late at night as well. That's the other thing. Anyway, guys, I'm going to put you down now. I'll pick you up in a bit. So I'm hoping you can hear me. This is part of Bobington Estate. I think they've had an event on today, and you've got the horse trials, which is I think one of the May bank holidays. And it's got the tougher, or whatever they call it, where they roll around in muddy water and climb ropes and stuff. Ooh. I've changed direction again now, so we've got a easterly today, and I'm now heading north. I've got a crosswind from right to left. Well, look at that for a scene. Sunset. Time's just gone 8 o'clock now. I'm about 2 or 3 miles from Laterton. I've got after Laterton about 1.5 miles of the A46 when I turn off and I climb up onto the top up by Nymphsfield. So it's a little bit draggy for the next few miles, but once I'm up on the top there, it's going to be pretty quick all the way home from there. Scores on the doors, 111 miles. So that's the longest ride since April? 4 months? Oh. I got a bit of a dry throat. I think it's been a bit of a dry heat today, and it's just dried me out, you know. Anyway, I'm going to go and water the scenery. I'll finish off my coat, put me his vest on, and I think I'll pick you up in a bit. Stop recording. Well folks, that's me done and dusted. 205k in the end. So yeah, job done. Happy with that. I've just got to get used to being sat on the bike for that length of time again. You know, it's just my undercarriage is a little bit tender now. Anyway, I'm not gonna do a long rambling outro, so I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.